Hello, animal lovers. If you love animals, you are right channel. Today, I am presenting to you a new video about the smallest animal on earth. Their name is a shrew. The Etruscan shrew is a teeny animal that looks like a mouse with a long nose. Shrews are not rodents, but they are related to hedgehogs and moles. The name of the smallest shrew is the Etruscan shrew. Its weight only about 1.8 grams, which is less than a coin. It is also a very small in length, about 4 centimeters, which is shorter than a finger. The Etruscan shrew lives in warm and damp places in North America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. It eats insects and other small animals, sometimes as big as itself. It has a very fast heartbeat and needs to eat a lot of stay alive. Etruscan shrew is the smallest mammal by mass in the world. Let's have more interesting facts about shrew. Here are some more interesting facts. The Etruscan shrew has a very fast heartbeat, up to 1511 beats per minute. You cannot imagine, guys, which is the most highest recorded heart rate of any mammal, guys. The Etruscan shrew can eat prey heavier than its life, such as small lizards, frogs, rodents. It also kills venomous capitais and scorpions without being harmed. The Etruscan shrew is very sensitive to change in temperature and humidity. It can die if exposed to temperature below 12 centigrade or above 35 Celsius. It also needs to drink water frequently to avoid dehydration. The Etruscan shrew is one of the few mammals that can use echolocation to find its prey and navigate in dark. It makes high-pitched clicks with its tongue and listen for the echoes. The Etruscan shrew is endangered, but it faces threats from habitat loss. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share to your friends and family members. I hope you like this video. Thanks.